Hey YouTube, it's your girl Valencia Raven. I'm going to be showing you how to go from this to this. And this is just basically a step-by-step tutorial. I'm doing a voiceover because my house is super loud. So first we're going to start off with cleansing my face off because I am an oil slick, and if I do not take care of this oil, then I will be drowning in it. So I'm just going to use my NYX water to just remove all the oils from my face. Now I'm going to be using my eye dip. I'm going to be using the color Jet Black and Dark Brown to build my eyebrows up. And the concealer I'm going to use is my Becca Ultimate Coverage because it's super thick and I don't get my eyebrows done. And I like this because it covers up the hairs that I have on my eyebrows because I haven't got my eyebrows done in like forever long. Okay, so I'm just going to do that real quick. So I'm going to be taking my concealer brush from Real Techniques and I'm just going to blend out the concealer that is around my eyes because I want it to have a gradient transparent look. Like I don't want it to look super harsh because the color is not of my skin tone, it's a bit lighter. So I kind of want it to like mesh in and just blend everything out. And I'm going to be using that same concealer to put on my lids, so just so I can create a little base. It doesn't have to be super bright because I'm not going for an extra bright look. This is going to be like a smoky orange look without all the smoke, but it's going to be smoky, if you feel what I'm saying. So I'm going to just go in and create that base and blend that out. I'm still blending that out. And yeah. Now I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and the color that I'm going to be using is the orangey Java color. I think it's called Java color. And then I'm going to use the Riff to blend that out on the top. So I'm just going to be packing on that orange so that I can have a nice little basage. And then I'm going to take Riff, which is like a light khaki color, to just blend that out, just so it can have a little bit of transparency and not look so bold right there on my eye. Now that I'm done blending that out, I'm going to put on some lashes, which are the hardest thing for me to do. So after I put this little bitty lash on, I'll be right back to you in a jiffy because I don't want y'all to see me struggle, okay? I be struggling with these lashes. Now I'm going to take my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation, and I'm going to use my LA Colors foundation brush, which happens to be my favorite brush. It's super cheap, got it for next to nothing, but I use it all day, every night, so I can get that smooth finish look. Now that I've blended my face out, I'm going to take my Maybelline concealer and I'm just going to conceal lightly on my face. I don't want to use too much concealer because I'm not looking for an extra out harsh look. I like for things to look very natural, as possible, even though this is makeup, so it's not like it's natural. But I do like for my face to look as natural as possible. I don't want to look as close to myself. I just want to look like Valencia, but a better version and not somebody completely different. So yeah. Now after I blend that out with my concealer brush, I'm going to be taking me some Laura Mercier in the shade Medium Deep as a setting powder, and I'm just going to be setting over my face, giving me that real, you know, cover girl look, you dig? And I'm just going to set that in, and then I'm going to be taking my concealer stick and just edging in some cheekbones because my face is very round and I need something to, you know, chisel that out and give me some life. You dig? So I'm chiseling my face. Now I'm going to be taking my Real Technique brush. I'm not sure which one this is, and I'm just going to be blending that out so that, yeah. Now I'm going to be taking my Black Radiance contour palette and using the deepest contour shade to set my contour and just make it pop that much more. Now I'm going to go into that MAC Pro Fix powder and just set the remainder of my face and wipe off this Laura Mercier so that I can have a nice little transition. You feel what I'm saying? Okay. And the blush that I'm going to be using is from e.l.f. This is their blush palette. I'm not sure which one, but I'm just going to use the mauve color to blush up my face and give me some cheekbones, see, or some, yeah. After setting my face with some face mist, I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown Glow highlighter just to highlight and give me some of that natural situation. You know, I like a natural highlight. I'm not really into like the boom in your face highlight, but I really kill for like a natural highlight. And after that is done, I'm going to go in with a dark brown lip liner to line my lips that I've already previously cleaned because I don't like to put it over foundation. And I'm just going to outline my lips. I'm so sorry about the blur. It's so blurry, but you guys can still see me. I'm just gonna line my lips and use this Fenty lip gloss to give me a nice glossation. I'm not really one for a lipstick. I'm like a gloss hog, so I'm gonna always go with the Fenty. So I'm gonna go back in with my Born to Run palette, and I'm just gonna use the gold shimmer shade in there and just put that in the tear ducts of my eyes. And then I'm gonna go back in with the color Rift. I know my brush is dirty, don't kill me. And I'm just gonna further blend that out just how I want it. And then I believe I'm done with that part. Just blend it. So this appears to be it. This is the final finished look. I'm gonna take off my scarf, and yeah, this is the final look. I love a natural beat with a popping eye. And if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and let me know down in the comment section anything else you guys would like me to do, because I love doing makeup, but I really need to like get my practice on. So this is that.